Well, g'day everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Alright, today I am making a different dog biscuit to the ones I've done last time. Last time I've done the peanut butter and cheese ones. This time I'm using some of the pumpkin that I saved. And some beef liver treats. Yeah, Bob's gonna eat it, darling. And I've got my little helper. And she's helping me to make biscuits. So, just some dried beef liver. I'm just going to crumb that up in a mixer. Some, at the moment, frozen pumpkin. All we're going to do with the pumpkin is add some stock in with that. Yeah, we'll put, it's not juice, it's stock. Yeah. We need a little bit of oil in it, just helps to bind everything together. And for this one, I'm just using some extra virgin coconut oil. As I said, it's just a little, you don't want to go over the top. All right, so I've got about a cup of pumpkin there, about a cup of stock, and probably 3 tablespoons of the coconut oil. And I'm just going to pop that in the microwave just to warm it all up, because what we're making is basically a hot water crust. All right, now it's all warmed up. We'll just pour it in there. And we make sure the little hands stay away from this.
Talking about you, Pipsqueak.
I've ground up about a 1/4 cup of the beef liver. So it's just a dried beef liver treat, and we're just going to put that in there. You can tip it in.
And she's got no patience.
Good girl. Alright, so we'll just mix the liver through it. What? No, you can't stir, it's hot. And now we just add enough flour so it comes together as a dough. We'll start with about 2 cups. No, hot. Okay, just wait. Okay, so that's still at the batter stage, so we go in with a bit more. Alright, still a bit sort of battery, not quite where I want it to be, so we're going to add a bit more. Just keep adding it in until we get the right consistency. Okay, so that's getting there, but it's still a really wet dough, so I just want to add a bit more. The idea behind dog biscuits is we want to have them fairly dry, so they're going to last a bit of time. So we flour out our bench with the help of some little fingers. And this is the part that she can help with.
Really? Ow.
Alright, and now we roll it out. We want about a 1/4 inch thickness, or 6 millimeters. Okay, now we're going to cut them out, and we're going to use our fantastic dog biscuit cutters, of course. All right, press down, press down, press it down. Good girl. Give it a wiggle, wiggle.
Good job.
There we go. No, it's got to cook first. Yeah. Okay. We're just going to put it on a lined baking paper.
Do you want to do it
Leave
yourself?
it.
Let her do it herself.
All right, press it down. Press it down. Press hard. Press hard. Now give it a wiggle.
Go like this.
That's it. It's loose. All right.
Good job.
Okay. Ta.
Gonna do a baby one.
No, we got to keep them neat, darling. Do one here.
Yeah.
Press down. No, press first. Press. Press. Press down. Good girl. There it is. Alright, so we're going to go through and cut all those. Then we're going to put it in the oven at 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, just until they're brown on one side, and then flip them over and brown the other side. Okay, here we go, fresh out of the oven. They will be a little bit soft at this stage, as well as hot. So we'll just put them on the rack so they can cool down. Okay, this lot had already cooled, so we shall have some taste testers check them out for you. All right, our taste testers today are one for Bobby and one for Alfie.
Alfie.
Yeah.
Good job.
And I think we're very happy with the flavour.
Alfie's looking for more.
All right, thank you very much everyone for watching, and bye for now.